Hello everybody, and we're going to be making weird body mod things, I don't know, with the skeleton, because I recently bought it, so yeah, let me just quickly take off this. Alright, see, now I don't know where my top, so, I can put, no, let's do, of course, the normal one. We have the gorilla torso, so let's have a look at that with this. I'm a thick boy. I'm thick. And I know it. Let's see if the chameleon torso looks any better. Okay, this is a bit smoother, okay. Okay, so what if I just quickly equip the torso? The normal skeleton torso. Okay. But we need to place the arms. Okay, I do kind of like these. Oh my god, how do I turn that? I am jacked. I have go. Okay. Yeah, but I am not doing that again. So yeah, why don't I just equip chameleon arm? Oh yeah, I just realized. Bam. Bam. No, I am the powerful being. Or bam. That arms. Yeah. It's just something I actually have. See, I got my good old hand back. Oh, but yep. I've been going to the gym. I've been going to the gym, buff. Okay, that doesn't really change anything. Oh, I can't wait to see this. Okay, this is gonna be the really spooky one. Boo! I'm scared, yeah. Honestly, I kind of like. Never mind, no. It looks like I need to go to a mental hospital. Give me my sword. Okay. Well, that was disturbing. Tail. Okay, yeah, no. See it. Oh no. Oh, I forgot to change the eyes. That's disturbing. Okay, where's tail? Why can't I pick none? I need help. Flip. First, let me just go back to do the normal eye. Okay, yeah, but no, I'm just gonna do this. And now that I have the tail, do I have the tail? Yes, I need to find a way to remove it. Okay, there is no physical way of removing the tail. Okay, yeah, I need to completely change my cat animal. This is annoying. There we go. So yeah, let me just put my hoodie back. Well, I don't know what to call it. Let me put my jumper back on. So yeah, that is weird body modifications, I guess. So yeah, see you next time. Wait, I need to go to the proper place for my outro. I'm I'm gonna someday make like an editor thing when I get the skills. Because right now my best editing marvel is literally my most popular video by views. Alright, bye everybody, and see you next time.